Good day, everyone, and welcome to Zoho CRM plus SalesIQ, transforming visitor engagement into sales. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your website traffic into real business opportunities with the seamless integration of Zoho CRM and Zoho SalesIQ. We'll show you how to track visitor activity, engage prospects in real time, and convert those interactions into qualified leads and sales faster and smarter. By the end of this session, you'll see how this integration can help you capture more efficiently, respond customer inquiries instantly, and deliver a more personalized and proactive sales experience. Leading today's session is Elmer, one of our account managers, who will walk you through the setup, demonstrate key features, and share practical examples of how businesses are leveraging these tools. With that, let me turn it over to Elmer.
Thank you, Jasper. So again, good morning, everyone, and thank you for taking the time to join us today. As mentioned, my name is Elmer, and I'm one of the account managers here at DevTech. So at DevTech, we are committed to making your work life easier, smoother, and dare I say, actually fun. So in today's session, we will explore how integrating Zoho CRM with Zoho Sales IQ can help you turn real-time visitor activity into actionable sales opportunities. So to start, Zoho CRM is your system for managing customer relationships. So it's where your team keeps track of leads, contacts, deals, and all sales-related interaction. Meanwhile, Zoho Sales IQ focuses on your website visitors. So it gives you visibility into who's on your site, what they're interested in, and allows you to engage them instantly through chat. So without integration, these two platforms work independently. So your team might engage visitors on your website, but those interactions may not always translate into structured leads or follow-ups within your CRM. So when you connect Zoho CRM and Zoho Sales IQ, that gap is eliminated. So visitor data, chat conversations, and behavioral insights can be captured and automatically recorded in your CRM, allowing your sales team to respond with better context and timing. So, in simple terms, this engagement bridges the gap, or this integration bridges the gap between visitor engagement and sales executions, helping you connect with prospect earlier, understand them better, and convert them more effectively. So let's start with the big picture. So think of Zoho CRM as your central hub. It's where all your sales, marketing, and customer support activities come together in one place. So it helps you streamline not just your processes, but also how your team works and collaborates. Now, both Zoho CRM and Sales IQ are already powerful on their own, right? But when you integrate them, that's where things really get interesting. So you gain deeper visibility into your website visitors, their behavior, their interest, and how they interact with your business. So this means you're no longer guessing what your customers want. You actually see it in real time. So with this combined data, you can nurture leads more effectively, personalize your engagement, and ultimately close deals faster by offering exactly what your customers are looking for. So, how do we bring these two platforms together? So, integrating Zoho CRM with Sales IQ helps you enhance your existing customer database while strengthening your support, marketing, and overall customer experience. So, before you start, just make sure you have administrator privileges in both systems. So, this ensures a smooth setup. So to connect them, simply go to Connect with Zoho CRM page in Sales IQ and click Enable. Once done, your CRM account will be linked and your access permissions will carry over to Sales IQ as well. So one important note, the integration is tied to the email address used during setup. So after, successful integration, you will also be able to see who connected the accounts and which email was used, helpful for tracking and management. So now that everything is connected, the next step is the configuration. So this is where you tailor the integration based on how your team actually works. So Zoho gives you flexible options so you can decide how data flows between Zoho Sales IQ and Zoho CRM, how leads are created, and how your team interacts with that information. So let's walk through the key configurations you can set up here. So one of the first things you can control is how new visitors are added to your CRM. So you can choose whether they should be created as leads or contacts, depending on your sales process. So you can also decide which visitors should be pushed automatically in your Zoho CRM. Let's say missed visitors, those you didn't get to engage, attended visitors, those you interacted with, or accessed visitors, basically anyone who visits your website. So this flexibility ensures that you're capturing the right level of data without overwhelming your CRM. So next is field mapping. And this is where personalizations really comes in. So you can choose exactly what visitor information from Sales IQ gets pushed into Zoho CRM, and more importantly, where it goes. So for example, details collected during a chat like name, email, or interest can be mapped to specific CRM fields. So when you click push to CRM during a chat, the system will automatically transfer and organize that data based on your setup. And this works for both leads and contacts, ensuring consistency no matter how you classify your visitors. So engagement doesn't stop after the chat, and that's where follow-ups comes in. So you can set up automated follow-up tasks directly from the Sales IQ chat window. So this task will appear in your CRM dashboard under the task tab. So you can even define when these follow-ups should happen. Let's say today, tomorrow, after 7 days, after 14 days, depending on the process. So this ensures your team stays proactive and continues to nurturing the relationship even after the initial interaction with your client, customer, or your website visitor. Capturing visitor data is only half the story. The real power comes from tracking visitors and converting those interactions into leads. So in this section, we will focus on how the integration helps you monitor visitors in real time. So view their CRM information directly from the chat interface and capture new leads instantly. So you will also learn how to route visitors to the right sales representatives, track online activity, and use virtual indicators to identify active leads on your site. So web form tracking ensures that every submission is linked to a visitor, giving your team complete visibility and control. So by the end of this section, you will see how integrating visitor tracking with CRM enables proactive engagement and helps you turn every interaction into an opportunity for growth. So now let's talk about the real-time tracking. So one of the most powerful features of Zoho CRM and Zoho Sales IQ integration. So with Sales IQ integrated with your CRM, so you can monitor your website visitors directly inside your CRM platform. So you can enable visitor notifications. So you get alerts when someone lands on your site, visitor details. So you see pages viewed, time spent, chat history, and more. So all of this data is neatly organized in your CRM, categorize customers, leads, or deals. So you can control who gets access to this information. So either all departments or only selected teams. So you can also track visitors through your CRM web forms. So when creating, a web form, simply enable the visitor tracking option. So this allows to monitor visitors who interact with your forms directly through Sales IQ. So it's actually a great way to connect form submissions with real-time visitor behavior. So here's where things become very seamless for your team. So when a visitor starts to a chat, Sales IQ automatically checks your CRM database. So if there's a match, their CRM details will instantly appear alongside the chat window. So your team doesn't have to switch tabs or search manually. So they already have context. So, and if they need more details, they can simply click to open the full CRM record in a new tab with just one click. So let's say you're chatting with a potential customer who is interested in your product. So instead of manually adding them later, you can instantly create a new record by clicking push to CRM. So from there, you can choose whether to add them as a lead or contact, and their information will be captured right away. So it's a quick, efficient, and ensures no opportunities slips through the cracks. So once leads are in your system, the right step or the next step is routing them to the right people. So with predefined routing rules, you can automatically assign leads to specific sales representatives. So to set this up in the system, you have to go to Sales IQ settings, navigate to automate, and then visitor routing and add your filters and rules. So this ensures faster responses or faster response times and better lead management. So you can also track online visitors directly inside your CRM. So you will receive notifications for different visitor types, such as customers, leads or contacts, or potentials or deals. Additionally, you can create automated chat triggers based on visitor behavior, like time spent on a page or actions taken. So this helps increase engagement and start conversations at the right moment. So to make things even more intuitive, so Zoho uses a simple visual cue, a green dot. So this appears next to leads or contacts who are currently online on your website. So you will see this in the list view, details pages, and even within accounts and deals. So you can also select multiple online leads at once and perform bulk actions, making it easier to, engage with several prospects simultaneously. And finally, let's revisit web forms with a bit more detail. So when visitor tracking is enabled, you can choose which portal and embed code to use. So only integrated portals will, appear in your CRM. So if none are available, you will see all Sales IQ portals or even get the option to create a new one. So this ensures your tracking setup is aligned with your system or with your system configurations and ready to capture valuable visitor insights. And with that, we have reached the end of today's session. So thank you all for being part of it. So we have explored how Zoho CRM and Zoho Sales IQ can work together to turn simple visits into real business opportunities. So when these tools are connected, your team gains the visibility and speed needed to engage prospects at the right moment and guide them toward conversion. So before we wrap up, feel free to check the final slide for ways to stay connected with us. So whether you're ready to get started or simply want to explore how this setup can fit your current process, so we would be happy to continue the conversation. So here's how you can reach us at DevTech. Scan the QR code. A quick scan can will or redirect you to our page where you can learn more or get in touch instantly. So you can also connect with us online. So follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more insights, tips, and updates. And you can also visit our website. So you just have to head over to www.devtech.com to discover how we can support your business with the right solutions. So we will keep the session open for a few more minutes for any questions you might have. So feel free to drop them in a chat. So as a final thought, growing your business doesn't require, complex systems, just the right tools working together and the right team supporting along the way. So thank you again for your time and your participation today. So this is Elmer from DevTech, looking forward to helping you engage smarter, sell faster, and grow stronger. So have a great day, everyone, and we hope to see you in our next session. Over to you, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Elmer, for that insightful walkthrough of how Zoho CRM and Sales IQ can help turn visitor engagement into tangible sales opportunities. We hope today's session gave you a clear picture of how integrating visitor tracking with your CRM can streamline lead capture, enable real-time engagement, and ultimately boost your chances of converting prospects into loyal customers. If you'd like a personalized walkthrough or need help implementing this setup for your business, our team at DevTalk is ready to assist. Again, you can reach us at info@devtalk.com or visit www.devtalk.com to schedule a customized demo tailored to your needs. Thank you again for joining us today, and we appreciate your time. And we're excited to help you create more meaningful customer interactions that drive results. Have an amazing day ahead.